Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of augmented reality, AR, and how you can leverage it for successful social media campaigns. If you're looking to engage your audience in a fresh, new way, you're in the right place. First, let's define what augmented reality actually is. AR is an interactive experience where digital information overlays the real world. This technology has been adopted by various companies to create engaging social media campaigns that capture users' attention and provide them with immersive experiences. In our tutorial today, we'll be covering 1. Overview of AR tools for social media. 2. Setting up your AR project. 3. Developing your first simple AR experience. 4. Integrating with a social media platform. 5. Best practices and tips for AR campaigns. 6. Real-world examples. So let's get started. Let's begin with an overview of the popular AR tools available for social media. Tools like Spark AR, Snap Lens Studio, and Unity with Vuforia are commonly used for AR campaigns. Spark AR, for example, is a flexible and user-friendly platform that can be used to create effects for Facebook and Instagram. Snap Lens Studio is specifically designed for Snapchat effects. Unity and Vuforia offer more robust game-like experiences but require more coding knowledge. We'll be using Spark AR for this tutorial because of its accessibility and the popularity of Instagram as a platform for engaging with audiences. If you don't have Spark AR installed, make sure you do that before we move on. You can download it from the official Facebook website. Now that we have the tools in place, let's set up our first AR project in Spark AR. Launch Spark AR and create a new project. The first thing you'll see is the main working interface. Let's break it down. You have the viewport on your right, where the AR content will be shown, and a panel to the left for managing assets. Before creating AR content, it's helpful to plan what you want to achieve. For our example, let's create a simple AR effect that adds a virtual hat to a user's head. This example is straightforward yet interactive and appealing for social media users. Now, let's import a 3D model of a hat. You can find free 3D models on platforms like Sketchfab or TurboSquid. For this example, let's assume we have downloaded a.obj file. To import your hat model, go to the Assets panel, click on the plus icon, and select Import to choose your model. Once the model is imported, you need to drag it into the scene on the right side of the interface. With the hat selected, you can navigate to the Inspector panel. Here, you can adjust the position and scale of the hat to fit accurately on the user's head. Let's position the hat where it should appear on the user's head. Set the position values to Y, 0.4 to lift it above the head, and adjust the X and Z values based on your viewport. Ensure to scale the hat appropriately, so it doesn't look too small or oversized. Now that we have our hat model positioned correctly, it's time to add the head tracking feature. To do that, we need to add a face tracker. In the Scene panel, click the plus icon and select Face Tracker. Now, drag the hat model under the face tracker. This allows the hat to follow the head movements while the user is on camera. To make the effect more exciting, you can add an animation to the hat. Spark AR provides simple scripting capabilities. Let's make the hat perform a little bobbing motion as the user moves their head. With the animation script complete, you can preview the result within Spark AR's Ma camera. Make adjustments as needed, and once you're satisfied, it's time to test it directly on your device. You'll need to connect your Facebook account, as Spark AR allows you to send the test effect directly to your Instagram account. Let's now get into the steps for publishing your AR effect. Click on Publish in the top right corner. Fill in the required information like the effect name, category, and description. Make sure to follow the community guidelines provided by Facebook to avoid rejection of your effect. After publishing, you will get a notification once your effect has been approved. This can take a while, so be patient. Once your AR effect is live, you can promote it through your social media channels. Encourage your audience to use it in their stories or posts, and tag your brand for maximum visibility. Now, let's talk about best practices and tips for running successful AR campaigns. Remember that engagement is key. Keep your effects fun and shareable. Consider creating challenges like Best Hat Moment, where users can showcase your AR effect in creative ways. Collaboration is another essential aspect. Partnering with influencers to use and promote your AR effect can significantly increase its reach. This not only builds credibility, but also drives new audience engagement through trusted voices. Don't forget to analyze the performance of your AR effect. Tools like Facebook Insights allow you to track usage and engagement metrics so that you can optimize future campaigns based on what worked or didn't work. Next, let's look at some real-world examples of successful AR campaigns. One of the most notable is the Follow Me lens launched by Snapchat, which allowed users to see animated characters following them around. This campaign succeeded due to its shareability and fun nature. Another excellent example is the Dress Up filter launched by Instagram, where users can try on various outfits in augmented reality. This effect encouraged fashion brands to harness AR technology, allowing users to visualize items before purchase. Wrapping up, you've learned how to create a simple AR effect using Spark AR, publish it to Instagram, and the strategies to enhance your social media campaigns. Remember that creativity and user engagement are at the heart of successful AR campaigns. We hope you found this tutorial insightful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on AR and other cutting-edge technology topics. Share your AR creations with us in the comments below or tag us on social media. Thanks for watching.